Please walk in the queue line. It is for your safety. Thank you.
We finally get to ride. Ooh, it's glittery.
Don't put it on your string, please. Do not put it on your string.
All clear.
All right, here we go. Whoa! Whoa! It's a nice tease. Whoa! 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 All right, that was pretty neat. Just rolling on in. We have static mags there. That's interesting to see.
Welcome back, riders. Please make sure to keep your elbows in, exit to the right, and collect all your loose articles. Please on the right. Thank you for riding. Wonderful. Roll the Lasso Coaster.
Where's my...
To my guests,